Hi guys, my name is Mark Anthony, and if you're looking to make money online, interested in money making systems and strategies, then you're in the right place. So if you would like to subscribe, please do so for future videos and press the notification bell and you'll be first to know when a new video has been completed. But in this video, if you're new to affiliate marketing and at the beginning of the learning curve, then things can look quite daunting and intimidating. You may suffer from information overload and it can get very confusing. And the thought of starting a website, you have to buy a domain and look for hosting, set up hosting, and writing unique content is a lot of hard work. And if you have no experience with WordPress, it can all get, I know for many people, they can get easily discouraged and naturally they can get disheartened. And that's before you've even done anything. So if that sounds like you, then this video may help you and give you some hope. See, the problem with affiliate marketing and starting a website, there's so much to do. And probably time is your biggest enemy. But thankfully there is another option. And I'm just here on the Flipper.com website, and Flipper is just not just about buying and selling domain names. You can buy complete websites as well. So you're actually cutting the learning curve. So let's just have a look, have a browse here. Let's click on the browse button, look at websites. Let's look at a blog. I think blogs are always a good place for affiliate marketing. Let's choose a niche. Health is a good niche, isn't it? Let's have a look at health. So we've got a list here of websites. Some of them are quite expensive, 25,000. We don't need to worry about those. Well, let's just scroll down a bit and see what we can find. Right, this is more like it. selfhealthytips.com. And this is the health and beauty niche, which huge niches, a lot of money in circulation in that niche, and the asking price at the minute is just $1 for this website. Now when you buy these websites, it does come with the domain. So let's have a closer look at this selfhealthytips.com. So as we can see, we've just put site and semicolon, and we can see Self Healthy Tips is actually already listed on Google, and a lot of the pages, some of the actual articles they've already written, which is a good start. So let's view this listing for more information. So as we can see, it's practically a brand new website. It's on WordPress, which is great. And the content is unique, which is so important. I mean, you can buy cheap affiliate websites on eBay for probably about $20. But these sellers are just churning them out, and it's the same content in each one. And you basically got to start again. You're basically only buying a template, really. You got to change all the content in it just to make it unique, because you will never get ranked on them websites. But on these here, you can see that all the content is completely unique. The design is unique as well. I wouldn't worry about this financial bit, because obviously it's a brand new website. And obviously the traffic doesn't really matter either. There's no point in paying for a report on the traffic because it's brand new. It's got 7 backlinks already, I would guess from maybe social media. But let's have a look. So GoDaddy domain appraisal is over 1,000. Just for this domain is worth over 1,000. And there are 43 unique articles in there. Now you can imagine how long it would take you to write 43 unique articles. I mean, it would probably take me 2 to 3 hours to write probably 2,000 to 3,000 words. and it's a lot of work in that. So they've got some plugins already done, SEO work. I presume they've got a plugin for this, and Facebook page ready, 2,000 likes. It's on Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, and they're probably where the backlinks are coming from. And so they add all these bits together, what these value, and they reckon the actual website is worth just over $1,000, which is quite possible. So it just tells you about the site. Self Healthy Tips is a fitness blog that simplifies the confusing world of exercise. And yeah, there's the domain appraisal over 1,000, and you can see similar domains, what they sold for. Simple Fitness Tips, Life Health Tips, all very similar. 3 of those sold over $1,000, so their appraisal of $1,000 is probably quite accurate. It's on the .com, which is also excellent, and SEO keywords, self, healthy, and tips, which are in the domain. So the keywords are in the domain, which is good. 100% premium, unique articles, great. So it's already on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. So they got the Yoast SEO plugin in there, so they've probably optimized, or they should have optimized all the actual articles in there, so they can get ranked in time by Google. And you know what Google's like. You'll be waiting 6 to 9 months for Google to rank your content. You can get indexed on Google in no time at all, but that's not the point. The point is to get ranked for specific keywords. So at the moment, everything's looked good. Why are you selling? And they reckon you can make $200 to $300 a month on this. And the domain is registered with Namecheap, so you could open an account with Namecheap and transfer the domain over to you. Let's have a look at else we can find out. Guys in Pakistan, he's got 100% feedback, so he's actually sold probably 19 websites. So everything looks good. Yeah. So there you go. Actually, you can buy it now for $350. I mean, they reckon the website's worth over $1,000, which is difficult to argue with, really. Well, let's have a look at the website actually before we actually dig any further. So this is the website that's for sale. Yeah, it's definitely WordPress, and it looks quite good actually. So don't forget, this is a starting point for you, and it saves you so much time. You obviously can just change things, add your email address there. Has it got everything? Privacy, legal, privacy, yeah. Cookie terms of use, everything's basically done here. All you need to do is continue the good work that they've already done and add your affiliate links in the content. You can add your affiliate links from maybe products on Amazon or ClickBank. All sorts of ways you can monetize this thing, or you could use AdSense or an AdSense alternative. But yeah, it looks like a real clean, good website, this. So there's 24 people watching this. So there's going to be a little bit of competition, but even to buy it now for $350, I mean, that's quite a good price, I think. Be interesting to see what this website goes for in the future. But there you go. It's for those people who are new to affiliate marketing and look to building a website from scratch as something quite daunting, and I completely understand that. This is a excellent way to get started in no time at all. You can buy it now for $350, and off you go with your affiliate marketing business in the health and fitness niche. So it's a good option, I think, for anybody new and not sure what to do, building a website and content as well. Some people are not actually natural content writers, but you have a platform here which you can just add to. You can obviously find people on Fiverr.com to do more unique articles for you, probably from about $5. So yeah, it looks like a nice clean website, and which you could buy right now for $3.50, or you can wait till put in a lower bid. Just keep your eye on it. But that's just one website on Flipper. I mean, there are other website brokers, but some of them are quite expensive. Flipper is quite good. You can get some real bargains on Flipper, and it just cuts the long learning curve away, doesn't it? You can get websites straight away, start promoting, and you'll be making affiliate commissions in no time at all. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial, and for those of you who look at affiliate marketing as something quite daunting, there is a ray of hope for you in this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for any future videos that I'll be doing. I normally do probably about 2 a week, something like that. But in the meantime, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, and especially high ticket affiliate marketing, which is what I do, to make $1,000 commissions, if you're interested in that, I have done a free, completely 100% free course on high ticket affiliate marketing, which you can see in the link is in the description. Just sign up and you can get started with that today. But that's all for now. Thank you again for joining me, and don't be afraid to comment. Please do comment, and I'll see you in the next video. That's ta-ra from me. Bye-bye.